Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as this is Valentine week, so today I am going to show you how to make a rose shaped cake. Watch the full video to know how to get such a bright red color without adding any color in the cream. So let's get started. First of all, take half cup of milk. The milk should be warm. Now in this add 1 teaspoon of the vinegar. Now mix it and keep it aside for 5-10 minutes. Now you can see that the milk has been curdled. Now in this add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. The oil should be flavorless. Now add 1/3 cup of the powdered sugar. Now mix it nicely with a hand whisker. Now take a strainer and add half cup of the maida plus 1 teaspoon. And now add half tablespoon of milk powder, half teaspoon of the baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of the baking soda and a pinch of salt. Now sieve all the dry ingredients. It is a very important step, so don't skip it. Now mix it nicely with a hand whisker. Make sure that no lumps are formed in the batter. Now add half teaspoon of the pineapple essence and scrape the sides of the bowl with a spatula and mix it with the help of the cut and fold method. So our cake batter is ready now. Now pour this cake batter in a 5-inch tin and tap it for a couple of times. Now I have preheated my kadhai. And now bake the cake for 35 to 40 minutes at a medium flame and cover it with a lid. Now after 40 minutes, check it with a toothpick. The toothpick has come out clean, means the cake is perfectly baked. Now after cooling down, take it out from the mold and first of all remove the top part and cut the cake in 2 equal parts. Now take 1 cup of the chilled whipping cream in a chilled bowl and beat the cream till we get stiff peaks. It will take around 5 to 7 minutes. So you can see that the stiff peaks are formed. So our cream is in a perfect consistency. Now apply some cream on the cake board and place the first layer of the cake. Now apply the sugar syrup. Sugar syrup is equal amount of sugar and water. Now apply the cream on the cake. And spread it with the help of the palette knife. Spread it evenly on all the sides. Then add 1 to 2 tablespoons of the pineapple crush. Again spread it with the palette knife. You can add some pineapple pieces also. Now place the second layer of the cake and apply the cream on the sides first. Here I have forgot to record the video of the sugar syrup. Also add the sugar syrup over the second layer. Now cover the top part with a very thin layer of the cream for crumb coating. And remove the extra cream. Now after crumb coating, refrigerate the cake for about 20 minutes and then we will do the final coating. Now after 20 minutes, give the final coating of the cream to the cake. So guys, if you're new to my channel, Then subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications of my videos. And also you can comment in the comment box given below. Now cover the whole cake with the cream. Apply more cream as we have to do a dome shape. Now take any playing card and give a dome shape to the cake like this. You can see in the video how I am doing it. So our dome shape is ready. Now take nozzle number 125. This is a rose nozzle. Now with this nozzle, now give a base to the cake and now make the rose petals like this. Keep this narrower part on the top and a broader part on the bottom. So here I have not added any color in the cream. So watch the full video till end to know how I got this bright red color to the cake. So make the petals like this till bottom. So here I have taken a red spray color. You will get in any bakery shop. This is a powder color. Now spray this color on the cake. So you can see a bright red color has come out. Now take a leaf nozzle. Now we will make the leaves from this. I have added green color in the cream and now make the leaves like this. So our beautiful rose cake is ready. Now I have added the neutral gel in the piping bag and now make the water droplets like this on the rose. So our beautiful rose cake is ready. Hope you all like this video. Share it with your family and friends. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. So I will see you soon again in the next video. Till then, bye bye.